Hello, students. Welcome to the Basic Mathematics series. Having a strong foundation over mathematics, basic mathematics, is prerequisite for doing good in IIT Advanced, JEE Main, and other engineering entrance examination. So, in welcome to this section, and in this section, we'll talk about the triangles. So, types of triangle. Triangle is made of three sides, and three angle and two sides make one angle. So three side angle. This is a property of three sides and angle. So types types based on side is equilateral triangle where all the sides are equal. Isosceles triangle where two sides are equal. So if the all sides are equal, then all angle will be also equal. So angle A plus is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree, because total A plus B for any triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree or pi radian. So equilateral triangle all will be 60, 180 by 2. And in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. If two sides are equal, then two angle will also be equal. This is alpha, then this also be alpha. So this will be 2. This will be pi minus 2 alpha. Now come to the another type of the triangle. So what is the another type? This is isosceles. Isosceles. Why isosceles? Because these two sides are equal, and this are obtuse because it's a angle is more than 90. If one angle is more than 90 degree, then it is called obtuse. So since isosceles, so this two angle will be equal. If this is alpha, this will also be alpha. Now come to the another type of the triangle, that is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Right angle. Right angle triangle. So what is the properties of right angle triangle? One angle will be 90 degree. So this is called perpendicular. This is called base. And this is called hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. This is called Pythagoras theorem. So since this is a 90 degree, so by taking this one and this one as diameter, we can draw a circle which will touch this corner of the, and this is diameter. Since this is diameter, then center of this will be radius. So this and this one will be equal. This is very important. Now come to the next type of circle and area of triangle as well. This scalene and acute, because no angle is more than 90 degrees. And from vertex, perpendicular down to the base is called altitude. So this one altitude. So you can draw from here also. You can draw altitude here. So this one is H2. You can draw altitude. This one H3. So what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle will be half into H1 into P is equal to half into H2 into A is equal to half into H3 into H3 into B, half into H1 into A, sorry, half into A, because this one H1, no, this one is H1 and this is A. So half is equal to H1 into A, and half into H2 into A, half into H2 into A. and half into h3 into b. Why h3 into b? Because this is b and this is h3. So another one, this one c. So half into h1 into h1 into c. Half into h1c, because this h1, this is, sorry, this is h1, this is h1, and this is c. So this is applicable in the acute angle triangle also. Only thing, you have to draw the perpendicular by extending one side, and here suppose this is h and this is a. Then half into area of triangle will be area will be half into h into a. Now come to the next section. So what is the other formula for area of triangle? Area of triangle, that is Heron's formula. Heron's formula. What Heron's formula says? That is area. Area is equal to under root s, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. What is this? S is a plus b plus c divided by 2. And a plus a, b, c is the sides of the triangle. So this is applicable for the all the triangles. Another formula, area formula, that is half into AB sin C is equal to half into AC sin B is equal to half is to BC sin A. BC sin A. Sin A. So this formula you can utilize to know the area of a equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle, you know that angle is 60 degree for all the angles. So half into B into C into half into B into C into sine 60 degree. And since all the sides are equal, so this is A into A square into root 3 by, so is equal to root 3 by 4A square. And since only one sides are there, so this altitude also you can calculate by Pythagoras theorem. That will be root 3 by 2A. Now come to the theorems of triangle. So first theorem is basic perpetuity theorem or Thales theorem. So if we take the midpoint, this one is midpoint, this is midpoint of the this side, this one is midpoint of the this side, this is the midpoint of this side. So this will be parallel to this, which, so DE will be parallel to BC first, and DE will be half of BC. This Thales theorem. Now the second theorem is also very important, that is Apollonius theorem. So what the Apollonius theorem says? Apollonius theorem says, suppose you draw a median. Medians means this length and this length is equal. So b square plus c square is equal to 2 d square plus n square. So either this one you take or this one, both are the same, both are having the same. Third theorem is angle bisector theorem. What angle bisector theorem? You have draw a line which is bisecting the angle. Previously in Apollonius theorem, it was bisecting the sides. Now here it is bisecting the angle. So if angle is bisected, then this if it is making x here, y here. So a by b will be x by y. So this is x, this is y. Now come to the another theorem, that is inequality theorem. Inequality theorem says that sum of any two sides will be greater than the third side. So a plus b is greater than c, a plus c is greater than b, b plus c is greater than a. Sometimes this is also utilized in solving the. Now come to the trigonometrical formula. So trigonometrical formula, first formula is sine law. Sine law. What is sine law? Sine law say a by sine of angle A is equal to b by sine of angle B is equal to c by sine of angle C is equal to 2r. What is r? R is circumradius. So what is circumradius? That will understand in the next chapter. Now come to the cosine law. Cosine law. So what is cosine law? Cosine law say that cos A is equal to b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc. Similarly, cos b is equal to a square plus c square minus b square by 2ac. Similarly, cos c is equal to a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2ab. Now the projection law. Projection law. So suppose this side will be addition of this side and this side. And what is this side? This side is b cos a, and this side is a cos b. So C will be equal to b cos b plus b cos a, b cos a plus a cos b. Similarly, a is equal to c cos b plus b cos c, and c is equal to, and b is equal to a cos c plus c cos c cos c cos a. So this is the projection law. Now come to the half angle law. Half angle formula. Half angle formula says sine a by 2 is equal to root over s minus a, s minus b divided by s minus b, s minus c divided by bc. Cos cos a by 2 is equal to root over s minus a into s divided by bc. So what will be the tan a by 2? Tan a by 2 is root over s minus b, s minus c divided by s, s minus a. Now another is Napier analogy. So let us say another formula, that is Napier's analogy. So what is Napier analogy? So Napier analogy says that that tan tan a minus b by 2 is equal to a minus b, a plus b sides, and cot c by 2. Similarly, tan c minus a by 2 is equal to c minus a, c plus a, and cot b by 2. Now come to the this one: orthocenter, centroid, circumcenter, incenter, and excenter. So what is centroid? Centroid is concurrent point of the median. So centroid, what is centroid? Centroid is concurrent point of median. So median, what is median? This side should be equally, actually is a side bisector. So this side bisector, this side bisector, this side bisector, this is centroid. So it will cut median into 2 is to versus 1 ratio. So it will cut 2 is to 1 ratio. It will cut 2 is to 1 ratio. This is the property of centroid. Now come to the, this is circumcenter. Circumcenter is perpendicular bisector of the side. So side is there and is a perpendicularly bisector. This is also point. This will be concurrent point of point of perpendicular bisector. Bisector. So one circle will pass through all these points and this will be the center. So this will be the radius. So OA, OB, OC will be equal from this point. So this is circumcenter. Now come to the orthocenter. What is orthocenter? Orthocenter is the, if you draw altitude from this vertex to this side, here also altitude, altitude. So orthocenter is concurrent points point of altitude drawn from the vertex. Altitude drawn from the vertex. Vertex. So now come to the incenter. So what is incenter? Incenter is angle bisector. Concurrent point of angle bisector. This angle is same, this angle and this angle is same. So concurrent point of point of angle bisector. So this point is angle bisector. So from this you can draw a circle which will touch all the sides. So this length and this length will be equal and this will call incenter. Now HGC theorem. HGC theorem is very important. In a circle, you are drawing both. This is concurrent point of H, concurrent point of altitude. This is concurrent point of median, and this is concurrent point of perpendicular bisector. So all three will be in one line, and this will cut into 2 is to 1 ratio. But for the equilateral triangle, all the 3 points will be same. And for the isosceles triangle, this will fall in this line, that is HGC. Again, it will cut into 2 is to 1 ratio, but it will fall in the this line, and so and these sides and these sides are equal. So now another center, that is X center. So suppose you are drawing X angle, then it will cut a point, and this point, if you draw a circle, this will touch all the three extended, all the three sides. Similarly here also, similarly here also, And one more thing is this angle and this angle. You add this angle, then it will make angle. So angle B plus angle C is equal to angle B. Angle B. Similarly, here also, this this angle will be equal to this angle plus this angle. This is called exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem. Today for all, thank you.